Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Macy's credit card. Macy is a well-known American department store chain that sells clothing, home goods, and more. To log in Macy's credit card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar at top and type www.macys.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Macy's. Now here you can see the search bar at the top. Click on the search bar, then type credit cards, then press on enter. With that, here you can see two options at top. The first option is sign in. Click on the option of sign in, then you'll be taken to sign in page. Now here you need to first enter your email address that you have used to create your Macy's account on the given box. Then enter your correct password on the given box. Now if you want your login credentials to be remembered every time, then click on the option of keep me signed in. Then if you don't remember your password, click on the option of forgot your password. Similarly, if you don't have Macy's account, then click on the option of create account on the right side. After entering your email address and password, click on the option of sign in. With that, you'll be able to log into Macy's credit card. This is how we can log in Macy's credit card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.